Hello, it's Miss Rachel with the Otago Packwell Public Library, and today's craft for Tuesday, October 13th for our Zoom story room activity is to make a spooky/fun castle for Christopher Pumpkin. So you're going to need your kit, some scissors, and you're going to need some glue. And let's get started. We're going to take out our black sheet of paper, a full sheet, and we're going to take out our cotton. Some of you will have a cotton square and some of you will have a puff of cotton. Either one is just fine. We're going to take out our pink haunted house or castle. We're going to take out our two pumpkin designs that have been cut out for you. And at the bottom of your plate, at the bottom of your bag, you should have some rainbow stickers and some silver glittery hearts. And I think that is all we need. I'm just checking through my kit for anything. Oh, yep, we're good. So everything else is for the other craft, and now we can get started. So we're just going to decorate this haunted house and make it look spooky and silly and fun, just like your Christopher Pumpkin would. So I'm going to start by gluing down my haunted house. That glue down, and we can use our fluff here as like a cotton candy, or you can make it in clouds going over the top. Really, you can put it as like a fog at the bottom. However you want to arrange that on the paper, you absolutely can. Be sure that when you put your cottony stuffing stuff on, that you use plenty of glue. And it's also going to be helpful to hold it down for a little bit once you've got it touched on. So you're going to want to press down for a couple moments and be sure that it gets nice and attached. And you might want to wiggle it around with your fingers to be sure it stays on there. Continue pressing for a little while. Now I'm actually going to multitask a little bit here. I'm going to use one arm to smush down the fluff, and I'm going to use my hands while I'm doing that to glue on some of these silver hearts. Now these are a little tricky as well, so you want to put lots and lots of glue on them also. And if you run out of glue sticks, or if you want to use liquid glue and you run out of that or anything like that, the library has some usable material and supply kits that you can pick up for free. So remember to think of us if you're running low on supplies. And now I'm going to glue on Christopher Pumpkin. He's going to hang out right here. And I'm going to glue on these other pumpkins. Up by top or the middle of the haunted house, but you can put yours wherever you like. And I have some extra cotton here that I don't think I'm going to use. Same with these extra hearts, but I am going to use all of my colorful heart stickers. So I'm going to put mine all around the tippy top of the castle. So this is a great way that you can work with different textures and colors in your craft. The fluffy stuff, the cotton, is fluffy and soft. The stickers are sleek and smooth. The silver hearts are kind of scratchy and bumpy. And just all sorts of things. And of course our glue is sticky and icky and gluey. We've got lots of different textures here that you can talk about with your kiddos. If you want, you can use your scissors. If you did get one of the squares of cotton instead of a big puff of cotton, use your scissors to cut it into strips. You can arrange the strips around the outside of the top of the castle. There's all sorts of options. I hope you guys enjoyed creating this fabulous craft